Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video, and this is the video I will put here on YouTube and of course Facebook. It's another kit from Amusing Hobby, and this is the Frieskran. I think it's look like that, and this is a 16-ton Strabokran. Okay, this is from 1943. I will do a diorama with this, and with not this one, not this kit. It's going to be the rum tiger, because it's have a big piece for ramming the other things, walls and tanks, and it's going to be really nice for this. So this is 1/35 scale, and the number is 35B003. Okay. As I told here on the box, the vehicle is not included. You got this from Amusing to buy with the vehicle, but this is just the crane. Here on the sides you can see how it's going to hand, and the structure right here. And of course this is real photos of the time of this. So you got here on the box, nice reference to build this one. So let's crack this one, and we got here the instructions. Let's put this aside. We got here 1, 2, 3 bags, more bags. We got this out of the bag. It's the main frame on the top. We got here, of course, decals. Yes. We got here some chains. This is metal for, I think it's for the hooks for the lifting. And we got here something to make rope. And I hope got here some ring there, metal ring. So I hope this is for the lifting cables, and I want to have a good length for this. Okay, so the main frame, as you can see, it's a really nice construction. It's out of the bag, but I don't see any work on this, so it looks really nice. And the plastic from Amusing are really good. Now we got all of this is on screw, so this is for the sides. Let me open. Now this, and let's see. So are really nice. I like the details. Really good. Yeah. So we got 2 equal pieces right here, and this is for this side. Yeah, really nice. Even the little details on these, really good. So 4 equal, so it's 2 for each side of the crane. Now let's open another one. I think this is 4 equal screws. Let's see it. Yeah, 4, and they are equal. So let's see, just one. So this brings the tires. Okay, they are in some parts. Here I know it's from the structure from the side. You got here these ones for the lifting. Yeah, oh nice, you got the holes done, so good. And what I like on this, it's the details on this. Really nice, the details. The tires are good too. So we got 4 equal sprues of this. Now let's go to another one. Open. So 2 equals per 2, so I think this is for each side too. And as you can see, the details are really awesome. No broken pieces. Okay, we got these ones, and I think it's good. Sincerely, I think it's good. And now let's go to the last screw. We got the screw and one piece, and let's see the last one. Okay, we got this piece right here. I think this is the carriage on the top, and we got here more parts. The big hook right here, and look at these parts, they are really nice construction. These ones you can see. Plastic, they are awesome. They put the pieces really good for the cut. Yep, I like it. Yeah, here, really nice. So now the last, let's look at the instructions manual. Let's see. Okay, this one brings the screws. You can see what it came with the kit, and look, of course, everything. So this one don't have any photo etch parts too, just plastic. And now you can see how to assemble this one. So this is a really different kit, so you're going to need to know something about engineering, how to build this one. Okay, you can see that I told it's the carriage, yeah. So really nice piece. So this one, it's that things you must do careful because of the chains and the ropes for this, so you must be more careful. You see all this one, it's really nice. This one is just the sides. You got the wheels there. Really good, really good. The rest here to put on the grounds. To support, and I think these have some cables on the inside for the lifting. I'm seeing. Yep, like I told, this one. So the two pieces, you must put this around these wheels. You got the schematic, it's nice, and here too on the top of the crane. Then we got something like this, and these ones you can go open or close. Really good. Now you see this is the chain, and that cables I talk for lifting. Okay, this is I'm going to use on my Ram Tiger, and at the end, as you can see, 10 and how it's going to hands. So something like this. Nice. Alright, so the Frieskran 6010 Pro I'm using Hobby. I think it's going to be a really nice build, and of course if you want to buy it, just say something to me, and here on my store Rust Models I have this to sell. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching another video, and I catch you up on another video. Bye guys.